Hello friends, welcome back to LG Study Time. Today we will learn could and its forms in very easy English with Odia meaning. आज आमे could be, could have been ର ବ୍ୟବହାର को ଶିଖିବା। ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସଟି ପାରିଲା ପାରୁଥିଲା ଅର୍ଥରେ ଆମେ could ର ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିଥାଉ। ହୋଇପାରେ could be, ପାରିଥାନ୍ତା could have, କରାଯାଇ ପାରିଥାନ୍ତା could have been. Could is used for polite request, past ability, suggestion and possibility. ନମ୍ର ଅନୁରୋଧ, ପୂର୍ବ କ୍ଷମତା, ପରାମର୍ଶ, ସମ୍ଭାବନା ଅର୍ଥରେ ଆମେ could କୁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିଥାଉ। Let's look at some example. ଏବେ ଆମେ କେତେକ ଉଦାହରଣ ଦେଖିବା। Could you help me? ଆପଣ ମୋତେ ସହାୟତା କରିପାରିବେ କି? I could swim when I was a child. ମୁଁ ଛୋଟବେଳେ ପହଁରି ପାରୁଥିଲି। We could study together. ଆମେ ସଙ୍ଗେ ସଙ୍ଗେ ପଢ଼ିପାରିବା। It could rain today. ଆଜି ବର୍ଷା ହେବାର ସମ୍ଭାବନା ଅଛି। Now let's move on to the next slide. Could be. Could be is used to talk about a possibility, guess or something that is not sure. ଆମେ କୌଣସି ଜିନିଷକୁ ଅନୁମାନ କଲେ କିଛି ହେବାକୁ ଥିବାର ସମ୍ଭାବନା ଅଛି ସେ ଅର୍ଥରେ ଆମେ could be କୁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିଥାଉ। ଏହାର ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚରଟି ହେଉଛି subject plus could be plus noun plus adjective verb ର ing form। ଆମେ noun କୁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରି ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ କରିପାରିବା, adjective ବ୍ୟବହାର କରି ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ କରିପାରିବା, verb ର ing form କୁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରି ଆମେ could be କୁ ଲଗାଇ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ତିଆରି କରିପାରିବା। noun, adjective ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ଆମେ ସେପାରେଟ ଏକ କ୍ଲାସରେ ପଢ଼ିବା। Noun କ'ଣ? A noun is the name of the person, place, thing or idea. ଏହାକୁ ଆମେ noun କହିଥାଉ। Adjective କ'ଣ? Adjective describe kare noun को. An adjective is a word that describe a noun. Verb ro ing form. For example, go verb ro ing form going. Structure टी आशा करूचे structure तमे माने बुझी परिथिबो। Let's look at some example. He could be a doctor. से जने डाक्टर होई पारे। He could be a student. से जने छात्र होई पारे। It could be easy. यह सहज होई पारे। This could be useful. यह उपयोगी होई पारे। It could be possible. यह संभव होई पारे। She could be studying now. Study plus ing studying. Studying now से भी पढ़ु थाई पारे। They could be playing. Play plus ing verb ing form playing outside. से माने बाहरे खेलु थाई पारंती। Now let's move on to the next slide. Could have. Could have is used to talk about a possibility, ability or opportunity in the past that did not happen. ଅତୀତରେ କିଛି କରିପାରୁଥିଲୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେହି କାମଟି ହେଲା ନାହିଁ, ସେ ଘଟଣାଟି ଘଟିଲା ନାହିଁ। ଏ ଅର୍ଥରେ ଆମେ could have କୁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିବା। ଏହାର ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ହେଉଛି subject plus could have plus past participle, third form of the verb. Let's look at some example. କେତେକ ଉଦାହରଣ ଦେଖିବା। They could have finished the work. ସେମାନେ କାମଟି ସମାପ୍ତ କରିପାରୁଥିଲେ। We could have gone by bus. ଆମେ ବସରେ ଯାଇପାରୁଥିଲୁ। They could have helped us. ସେମାନେ ଆମକୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିପାରୁଥିଲେ। She could have won the match. ସେ ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଜିତି ପାରୁଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ହାରିଗଲା। Now let's move on to the next slide. Could have been. Could have been is used to talk about a possible past situation or a guess about the past. ଅତୀତରେ କିଛି ହୋଇପାରୁଥିଲା किंबा होइथिबार संभावना थिला एही अर्थरे आमे कुड हैव बीन को व्यवहार करिथाउ। यार स्ट्रक्चर टी हेउची सब्जेक्ट प्लस कुड हैव बीन प्लस नाउन प्लस एडजेक्टिव। लेट्स लुक एट सम एग्जांपल। आमे केतेक उदाहरण देखिबा। दे कुड हैव बीन एट होम, से पाने घरे थिबा संभावना थिला। ही कुड हैव बीन लेट, से डेरी होइथिबा संभावना थिला। ही कुड हैव बीन ए गुड लीडर, से एक भल नेता होई पारुथिला। द शॉप कुड हैव बीन क्लोज्ड, दुकानटी बंद थिबार संभावना थिला। That is all for today. I hope you all understood today's class. आज आमे could, could be, could have been रो व्यवहार को शिखिले। आशा करुछि आज क्लास टी निश्चय तमे माने बुझी परिथिबो। क्लास टी भलो लागिथिले लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करबा को भूलिबेनी। रहुछि धन्यवाद। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग।